Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here we've got the first knob, thanks to which we can change position of the back of the seat. Next we've got this lever, thanks to which you can change seat height. And thanks to this panel, we can adjust pressure on the spine. Thanks to this lever, we can adjust height of this part of the seat. Next, we can extend the seat, and in the end, we've got the lever right there, thanks to which we can change seat distance from the steering wheel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.